This call is now being recorded.
Good evening, everybody. Just 2 minutes. Few people are joining, so let's wait for 2 minutes. Good evening, everyone. I'm welcoming Padmaja Menon, Principal of VJIT, and Vikasa, Faculty Coordinator, Faculty Advisor from VJIT College. So yeah, let's start our session. Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Yeah,
Yeah,
ma'am.
good evening.
Yeah, ma'am. We have organized Ideathon 20 from 20th September to 23rd September, and the responses were amazing, and we received amazing responses from the participants. Uh, Ma'am, this is the timeline of our Ideathon. We started from 20th September and ended on 23rd September, and 2 to 3 days uh, we have sent those ideas to few tech companies and asked them to make suggestions. We received 27 submissions and 150 plus participants from all over India, from different states, and one participant from Indonesia too. We actually thought to announce winners now, and I think few members are joining still. 37 participants have joined, and what we 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 thought to give a chance to participate in Google Solution Challenge, which is going to happen in next year 2021. For those things, we have to do some projects which are related to community, and for the rank who for the winner we will be giving badges, and for not only winners we are also giving badges to the participants who got next 4, 5, 6 ranks too. And the participation certificate we are giving to everyone who submitted their presentation. Yeah, guys, are you excited to know the winners of the Ideathon 20? Guys, put S in the chat or something. Yeah, ma'am. I request Principal Ma'am Padmaja Ma'am to announce the winners of Ideathon 20.
Yeah, I don't
Ma'am,
know.
from sixth rank, please announce from sixth rank, ma'am.
Okay, okay,
First, we are announcing badges from sixth.
okay. So, do you have the list? Venkatesh, do you have the list of students? Yeah, congratulations to T. Chandu. Is he from VJT only?
Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
He's from
Yeah.
VJIT.
Yeah, which branch he is?
CSC, ma'am.
Yeah, congratulations to Chandu from CSC.
Thank you.
Is he
Thank
there?
you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
That is Smart Solution.
Yeah. Shruti is there. Shruti is here.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yeah, congratulations, Shruti, for submission.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Participation in the Ideathon conducted by DSC team.
Thank you,
What is
ma'am.
your experience during
Yeah, it
this?
was too good, ma'am. It was really good.
What is your problem statement?
Yeah, it was about a smart pill allocator for elderly people.
Okay, how many team members are there in your team?
Ma'am, this is totally solo participation, ma'am.
Oh, solo participation. Okay, fine, fine. Congratulations, Shruti.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, ma'am. We received 2 participants from LBS Institute of Technology for Women from Kerala, ma'am.
Oh, very good. She is from Kerala.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
She's from
ma'am.
Kerala.
Which year? BTech year?
Third year, ma'am.
CSC?
No, electronics.
Very good, very good. What are your experience? Could you please tell in few words?
Yeah, it was a great experience, ma'am. It was a great opportunity.
What is that you have learned during these 4 days?
Uh,
What
I
is your
learned many informations. Actually, their first session was too good.
yeah,
They said they introduced many technologies and that it was good.
yeah, good. Then next one,
Yeah, ma'am. Next, the 4th participant. Yeah, Prideful Solution.
Tansil. She's also from CSC,
From
Yes,
VJIT.
VJT CSC. Congratulations, Tansil.
thank you,
And
ma'am.
what are your experiences?
It was great, ma'am, because the whole radiothon thing kind of pushed me to do and think about my project and all.
Oh, very good. What is your what is your problem statement?
It was to develop a university app which is like more organized.
Okay, good.
Yes, ma'am.
Hoping this time Smart India Hackathon, some of these people will join and will be winners this year also. Let us congratulate our Smart India team, CSC team this year who has won with 1 lakh cash prize. Team Ejerka, Ashwak and team. Let us all congratulate them first because I also hope some of the teams from this Ideathon will participate in Smart India Hackathon and will be the winners from BJT side also this year, 2021. Am I correct, Venkatesh?
Yes, ma'am. That's
I would
absolutely.
like to see one more team this year also, 2021 from BJT.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, let's announce winners now, ma'am.
Yeah,
Uh,
yeah, sure.
After having a hard discussion, we selected these 3 members. It's
Who are
really,
the judges for this?
yeah, ma'am. Yeah,
Who
we,
are
from DSC core team, we selected few people and few people from our seniors, ma'am,
okay.
who are
Good evening. Good evening, madam.
Good evening.
Good evening, all.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah.
Sorry for the delay.
It was a good initiative, sir. I hope this year also some of the team, one of the team from this Ideathon will be the winners in Smart India Hackathon also.
Definitely, madam. We'll split
Yeah.
towards that.
Yeah.
So let's announce winners, ma'am. The
Yeah.
top 3 winners.
Proceed, Venkatesh.
Yeah, sir. Sir, third winner.
Congratulations, Akanksha. She's from
Thank you so much, ma'am.
so from CSC only again.
Yes, ma'am.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Is there any favorism towards CSC?
Something
No,
like that.
ma'am.
Yeah.
All of them CSC only.
Ma'am, those ideas we received are really innovative, ma'am. We discussed a lot to announce the winners, ma'am, to judge how the idea is.
Okay, Akanksha, what is your idea? Could you please explain?
Ma'am, it was to develop a virtual assistant for for elderly people with dementia, ma'am.
Oh, very good, very good.
Thank you,
So,
ma'am.
how many team members are there in your this thing?
Ma'am, this time it was individual, ma'am.
Individual, all solo only. Team also is there, I think, one of the competition.
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am,
all
it
the
is solo.
participants were solo.
All are solo only. Okay, fine.
Yeah.
LBS Institute of Technology.
Yeah,
Alina.
Second year. Congratulations, Elena. Elena is here.
Hello, ma'am. Hello. Yes,
Yeah,
I'm.
yeah. Share your experiences, Elena.
I'm so thankful for giving me this opportunity to be able to present my idea here. It was a pleasure. It was a great pleasure to be here.
Yeah, are you from CSC department or any other?
So I'm from Electronics and Communication.
Very good, very good. Yeah.
And thank you.
Congratulations, Amma. Yeah.
Congratulations. What is
Thank
your
you, thank you.
title of the idea? What is your?
It was actually a belt developed for pregnant women to monitor both the woman's and baby's heartbeat and also the mother's blood pressure, blood
Okay.
sugar, and body temperature in a very non-invasive way.
Oh, very good, very good, very good.
Thank you.
Congratulations once again.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. And the first winner goes to Suchita.
Suchita, congratulations. She is from CSC.
Sucheta, yeah.
Suchita is from which branch? Which branch?
AI, ma'am.
Huh?
AI, ma'am.
Yeah. Artificial intelligence.
Oh, very good, very good. Congratulations, Suchita. What is
Thank
your
you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
project? What is your project idea? Tell me.
Ma'am, my project was to design an app so that we can virtually trial clothes. As we are unable to go out and trial on clothes, it would be virtually we can trial on clothes and increase the business to like.
Virtually?
No, it's not clear.
Your voice is not clear. Can you please explain again?
Shall I, ma'am? Yeah, Suchita, continue.
Suchita,
Am I
continue.
audible, ma'am?
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, the project is to create an app which helps us to trial on clothes virtually, ma'am.
Okay.
Like, as we can't go out, so we can trial on clothes virtually, sitting in like online.
Yeah, I've seen so many online apps are there. I think one of the IIT Madras startup, they're doing this similar kind of this thing.
Oh, ma'am.
Yeah, you just
Whom it will be useful?
In this COVID, I think in this COVID situation, it will be really helpful, ma'am.
it is really helpful. Very good, wonderful. And you're a first-year student now, currently in second year. No, wonderful, very good, Sujita. Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Just go through one of the site in IIT startup. It is already there in a similar manner. I'll share you the link.
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
It's of similar kind they're doing. It is already running now, startup.
Okay, ma'am. We'll check it, ma'am.
IIT Madras Innovation Center.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it, ma'am.
Yes, congratulations to all the winners. And what else is there, Venkatesh? Any other program is there next from DSC?
In DSC, for VJIT students, we received one program, ma'am, for exclusive for Google Cloud Initiative. We will be training 50 students on Google Cloud, ma'am.
Okay.
And we are planning more workshops in coming next days.
Okay.
And we plan many things to encourage students to explore many technology and Yeah, ma'am.
So now in DSC, all branches members are there?
Yes, ma'am. They are Triple E department, EC department, and CSE department.
Very
It's
good.
not like only limited to CSE, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. Very good.
Yeah.
So we informed to all the heads of the departments, madam, in the college, and they are now contributing. They have allotted one faculty members also
Okay.
to guide these students.
Very good, sir. Very good initiative.
Yes, ma'am.
Vikas,
Thank you, ma'am.
Vikas,
Good evening, ma'am.
good evening, Vikas. What is there from your side? Anything to be conveyed to the students?
Actually, it would be better if you or the a little to encourage students for participating in more such events.
How? Yeah, total 100 plus participants, no, in this ideathon. That's a good number actually.
Yeah, ma'am.
And in future also you conduct similar kind of. This is solo. I think you should do it in a team wise.
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, what we thought is from those top three ideas, we will be developing those projects, ma'am. We collected those ideas and we will be developing those projects with our DSC core team.
Okay.
And we will be going to Google Solution Challenge, which is hosted by Google, which is a big chain of group for all innovation.
Yeah.
We will be presenting those ideas in the Google Solution Challenge.
Very good. Very good.
Yes, ma'am. And also, we are going to do top 3 projects from top 6 project. 6 got selected, and we are announcing those projects soon after discussion with our team. From projects, we will be going to do 3 projects.
Very good. Very good. Very good.
Yes, and also we will be including those participants for team, and they will be given equal credits with us.
Okay, very good. Who is the team members? Can you introduce them now? DSC team members. DSC team members.
Yes, ma'am. We have Rushit and Kritik, Vishnu and Pranav,
Okay.
and
you can put on your videos.
yeah, Pavan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. What is their role? Can everyone introduce themselves?
Yeah, ma'am.
DSC members.
Vishnu.
Yes.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Vishnu. I'm studying in 4th year CSC. Currently with Traffic Investigation Department. So I'm a DSC tech lead for this current year. So that's all.
Pranav.
Good evening, everyone. So my name is Pranav, and I'm from 3rd year CSE. I am the non-tech team lead in DSC.
Very good.
Sai.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah.
I'm a core member of MLAI team, Machine Learning and Artificial Intelligence.
Okay.
I'm from ECE department, 3rd year.
EC. Okay.
Yes, good.
Good.
And Keshav from ARVR team.
Yeah, good evening, ma'am. This is Keshav from Triple E 3rd year, and I am currently facilitator at ARDSC VJ. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good.
Rushit Sagar.
Hello, ma'am. My name is Sagar, ma'am. Sagar Rashid, and I'm a member of non-tech team, ma'am.
Oh.
Non-tech team. I'm in the management team, ma'am.
Very good.
Yeah, Pavan.
Yeah, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. My name is Pavan. I'm from Triple E 3rd year. I'm a core member of AIML.
Oh, very good.
Yeah, ma'am. And there are few more members in the core team, ma'am. I think they
Why
will.
only boys are there, girls you have not taken?
Yeah, ma'am. We equally, there is not like that. We also have women tech community, ma'am, under DSC. And
Okay.
they are getting into many different communities with the help of DSC.
Yeah, you involve girl students also.
Yeah,
Okay.
ma'am. Definitely. And we have Soumya, ma'am. She's from web development.
Okay. She's from CSC.
Yeah, she's from CS.
Okay.
So, are they not available now?
Yeah, I think they are not.
They are not available.
Yeah, complete schedule of this academic year. I already asked Vikas sir to send it to me so that we can share in the website also.
Yes, sir. We planned.
So prepare that. And, yeah.
Yes, sir. We will share it as soon as the session.
Yeah, madam. One more thing I wanted to tell you. We are starting a code chef in the department of CSC.
Yeah, very good.
It is again like Google DSC only. It is for all the students. We are now shortly we will plan for inauguration of that. We already registered with them, and it will enhance the coding skills for all the students.
Okay.
So we already spoke to them and I already registered. And Rajsekhar and Praveen will be the in charges for that faculty coordinator for that code chef.
Very good.
Chapter in the department.
Yeah, ma'am. We also want to introduce our pathway, ma'am, what we are going to do in this year. And we started with the Ideathon, and the participants, winners of the Ideathon, will be doing projects. Parallelly, we also started developers community in our college. We will be providing resources to them, and also we started women tech community. And the focus of this community is to make girls introduced to the technology, ma'am. And with awareness session for second years about what they need to do and learn about. And after that, we will be going to start workshop series on different technologies, that may be the Flutter, web development, and everything. And these things will be all going parallelly.
Oh, very good.
Yeah. Due to the because of the support of Vikas sir and HOD, we are very much focusing on DSC and to parallelly our curriculum, both are covering equally.
Yeah.
With the support.
Very good. So for these date schedules have already been finalized.
Ma'am?
Dates. All these activities you have shown.
The plan, ma'am. We just the plan, but we are doing it soon after this ends.
Okay. Good.
Yes, ma'am. Just a message to participants. We will be sending you a feedback form, and the participants who fill the feedback form will receive the certificate, and the winners will be receiving their certificates and badges within 1 hour of the session ends.
It's not yet prepared.
Yeah, yes, sir. It is prepared.
I think you are going to mail them, right?
Yeah. Digital certificate.
So all those certificates, one copy you just share it to Vikas sir so that he can send it to me. I'll be filing all those certificates under DS.
Yes, sir. Also, for security reasons, we also mentioned certificate ID, sir.
Okay. Good. It should contain the data of which event and which academic year and also which semester possible, the duration of the event also you can mention in that.
Yes, sir. Already we done it.
Okay. Right.
Yeah. Congratulations once again to the DSP team for organizing this Ideathon. Hoping you will be conducting many more as per the schedule in the coming academic year next month. And good luck to all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, all the best, Venkatesh and team.
Thank you, ma'am.
And next time you have to invite more participants.
Yes.
So try for that, and your team should work hard so that it will be more successful. Right?
Yes.
This should percolate to many colleges, Venkatesh. Hyderabad, many colleges are there, no? You can circulate to.
Yes, ma'am. We also, ma'am, in the next month, in the October, we planned a national-wide hackathon, ma'am.
Okay.
Very large, ma'am. All the DSCs we are collaborating together, and we're gonna launch the hackathon. And we received 10 plus sponsors, ma'am. The tech giants, we received sponsorships from them.
Okay.
It is gonna be very big, ma'am.
Okay. The circulation marketing team should send to many colleges throughout India,
Yes,
so that you will get more number of participants.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. I think we can end this discussion.
Yeah. Thank you once again to all of you, and all the best.
All the best, ma'am. All the best to all the team of DSC.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.